Let me be honest with you. You don't need 6 months. You don't need a new year. You don't even need motivation. You just need 3 days. Because the truth is, you're not broken. You're just undisciplined in the right direction. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to reset your life in 3 days. Not perfectly, but powerfully. Look around. Endless scrolling, late night dopamine, zero focus. Big dreams, but no execution. This is today's generation. We don't have a lack of information, we have a lack of control. And the worst part, we know what we should be doing, but we don't do it. Why? Because we wait to feel ready. But listen carefully, you will never feel ready. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. So instead of fixing your whole life, we're going to fix just 3 days. Day 1 is simple. Cut the noise. For 24 hours, remove everything that's distracting you. No random scrolling, no useless content, no late night nonsense. Your phone becomes a tool, not an escape. And yes, it will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel bored, restless, maybe even anxious. That means your brain is resetting. Now with that extra time, do just 3 things. Clean your space, write your thoughts, plan your next 2 days. Nothing fancy, just move from chaos to clarity. Day 2 is where things change. Now you don't think, you execute. Pick one main goal, not 10, not 5. Just one thing that actually matters. Study, work out, build a skill, create content, and go all in for a few hours. No multitasking, no switching, just deep focus. Here's the truth. You're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to prove to yourself that you can move. Because once you start moving, confidence follows, not before. And at the end of day 2, you'll feel something rare, pride. Day 3 is the most important. This is where you stop acting like your old self. Ask yourself, what would the best version of me do today? Then do exactly that, even if it feels fake, even if it feels forced, because identity is not something you find, it's something you build through actions. Wake up on time. Do the work, stay disciplined, not because you feel like it, but because that's who you are now. Let me tell you something most people won't say. 3 days won't fix your entire life, but it will do something more powerful. It will wake you up. It will show you that you're not lazy, you're not stuck, you're just inconsistent. And consistency is a skill, not a personality trait. So here's your challenge. For the next 3 days, stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop escaping. Just follow this. Day 1, remove distractions. Day 2, take action. Day 3, become the person. No excuses. And when you finish, come back and tell me, done. If this hit you, subscribe, because we're not here to feel motivated. We're here to build discipline silently. See you in the next one.